Hi there. I've recently posted videos about child support and alimony, and one of the related topics that comes out of cases involving financial support is what can be done if the other side begins to play games with their income during the case. It happens. It could be someone mysteriously loses their job, their business has its worst year ever, in the middle of the divorce or the child support matter. Maybe a bonus doesn't get deposited, it disappears. Maybe the person who's looking at a child support payment says, I would rather quit my job than pay you child support. Well, if the legal system didn't have an answer for that, it would happen fairly frequently. And the way that is addressed in Maryland are two overlapping concepts. One is imputing income and the other is voluntary impoverishment. Now, voluntary impoverishment means that someone has intentionally reduced their financial means to avoid having a high gross income number for calculation of child support or alimony. The concept of imputing income is the ability of the court to determine what a litigant's income should be for determining any form of child support or alimony, rather than what is actually being earned. So if you are underemployed or under-earning, the court can say, no, you're going to pay child support or alimony based on what you could be earning, which is a higher amount. Now, judges and magistrates really do not like to see this type of behavior because it involves bad faith in some cases. And in those particular cases, courts are more inclined to award a reimbursement of attorney's fees from the non-impoverishing spouse because it's a practice that shouldn't be done. Now, in some cases, it's fairly obvious. Someone walks into a courtroom the day before a child support hearing and says, quit my job yesterday, lost my job yesterday, and the court's not going to accept that. But more often, it is more complicated and more difficult to prove. There are very specific elements that need to be proven to be successful in a case of voluntary impoverishment. On top of that, the economic impact of the COVID-19 virus response has been devastating on the local economy, the national economy, the job market, and courts are going to be, I expect, sympathetic to those individuals who have lost their job through no fault of their own. But that doesn't mean there's not going to be potential bad apples out there that may try to take advantage of the system. So if you have any questions about voluntary impoverishment or imputing income, please do not hesitate to contact the attorneys at my firm, Weinberg Schwartz. We can be reached at 410-997-0203. If you have any specific questions about this particular topic, I'd be happy to answer them in the comments of any of the social media posts that I link to. If you're interested in any additional information about me, there are my LinkedIn account, my Twitter account, my Instagram page, all of that is in the description of this video below. And as always, I appreciate your time. Please like this video, please share it, and don't hesitate to comment on it. Thank you very much.